The thin layer of materials that covers the Earth's surface is created through a combination of different processes, such as weathering, which involves the disintegration and decomposition of rocks, and erosion, in which the loosening and transportation of the weathered rocks away from the source occurs through the use of mobile agents like water, wind, and ice. Soils, who are the result of these processes of weathering and erosion, grow over time and create soil horizons, which are the layers that appear as you descend further into the soil profile. And they include the topsoil or the A horizon, which is dark and composed primarily of organic material mixed with a variety of grains. This zone also contains the O horizon, which is made of organic debris, plant and animal remnants. Additionally, soluble elements are transported from the A horizon to the B horizon where they accumulate. Below this horizon lies the C horizon, which is made up of either loose sediments or weathered bedrock. And this soil is characterized by parent material. However, a variety of factors can have an impact on the processes that lead to soil formation. The first of these factors is the parent rock, which is characterized by mineral solubility and rock structure. A parent rock that is low in soluble minerals and massive without fractures will weather more slowly than one that is high in soluble minerals and fragmented. Climate is the second element that affects how quickly weathering goes, with higher rates of weathering reached through higher rainfalls and hotter temperature. Additionally, the presence or lack of vegetation has a significant effect. Thick soil derived from vegetation that is rich in organic matter weathers more quickly than bare rock that contains little organic matter. In addition, the length of exposure is directly related to the rate of weathering as well. The longer it lasts, the more weathering we have. Different types of soils result as represented by the fourth point in the slide. One is the sandy soil, which has very few nutrients and a limited water holding capacity, making it difficult for the roots of plants to absorb water, thus one of the poorest types of soil for growing plants. Another example is the silt soil, which is known to have substantially smaller particles than sandy soil. It's more fertile and utilized in agriculture techniques to increase soil fertility since it stores water better than sandy soil. A third type is clay soil, which is made of the smallest particles compared to the prior two types. The particles in this soil are tightly packed together, which makes it very good in storing water and hard for moisture and air to penetrate into it. Yet it does not provide space for plants' roots to flourish. Loamy soil is a combination of the previously mentioned soil types, such that the beneficial properties of each are included. Hence, we can notice how soils are important for healthy plant growth in addition to human nutrition and water infiltration.